Hi guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. I am taking part in one of my favorite challenges here on YouTube. It is hosted by the DIY Mommy. It is called the Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. There are usually around 100 participants in this challenge, and there are going to be tons of spring DIY ideas. So make sure you check out the playlist I will have linked below. And if you don't know who the DIY Mommy is, you are seriously missing out because she is super talented and creative, and you are going to love the stuff that she does with her home decor and DIY projects. I will also leave a link to her channel below, so make sure you check her out. Now, this is probably actually one of my favorite DIYs I have done. It took me under an hour and cost easily less than $10. I had some of the supplies, so it cost me only, I think, less than $5. But if I didn't have the supplies, it would have cost me less than $10 to make, and it was super quick. So if you enjoy this DIY, please give it a thumbs up. If you like DIYs, you're going to want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get right to my DIY. I bought these large paint sticks from Home Depot. They're 98 cents a piece. I also bought the regular size paint sticks. You're going to need some floral. Some of these are from the dollar store. Some of these I already had on hand. A glue gun, some Gorilla Glue or some other kind of really strong glue, a foam brush, some wood stain of your choice, some jute. I asked my husband to cut down the large paint sticks to roughly between 15 and 16 inches long. Now, these paint sticks that come in the pack do come with a measurement on one side, so I could have cut it right at the 14 line, but I wanted it a little larger. And I'm going to use the entire pack. It came with, I bought 3 packs, 98 cents a piece, and each pack came with 3, and then I also bought a pack of the regular size paint stick stirrers to use as support on the back of this project. Now, to begin, I am going to hot glue each piece together. This isn't to keep it permanently together forever, but it's to hold it together until I can attach the back pieces, and it's to kind of give it a little bit more stability. Once all the pieces have been attached, you're going to turn it over and apply the small paint stirrers to give it stability. This is where I wanted to use the Gorilla Glue, and I kind of just spread it all over the back of it. And then I also used some hot glue in between to give it more of a quick hold, because once the gluing was done, I stained it. And I used this natural gray color. When you're staining wood, you apply the stain and then you wipe it off, and you can keep doing that until you get the desired color that you're looking for. So I cut the 4 pieces of jute rope, and I cut it longer than I thought I would need. I only wanted to have one end piece. I also glued the end together to make it easier to keep it from fraying, also to keep it as one piece so I can twist the strands together. Once the glue was a little bit tacky and not so hot, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit with my fingers to give it more of a smooth edge. I then took a plate and traced a circle onto the wood. And then the rest of it is pretty simple. You just put some hot glue down, tracing the circle and twisting the jute together as you go and just doing it in little sections. I did it in probably about 1.5 inch sections so that the hot glue didn't dry before I could get the rope on it. These are the flowers I chose to use. I had the white spider mums in storage, and these peach pink colored peonies are actually from the Dollar Tree. And one of the things you want to make sure you do is cover up the seam with your flowers so that you don't see it. And this is the pattern that I chose to lay the flowers, but you can do it any way that you like. After I finished, I really decided I wanted to add some greenery, so I just used the green leaves from the peony bunch that was from the Dollar Tree.